How do I write data into CSV format as string, not file? I want to cast data like 1, 2, he said, what do you mean question mark, to a CSV formatted string. Normally one would use CSV.writer for this, because it handles all the crazy edge cases, comma escaping, quote mark escaping, CSV dialects, etc. The catch is that CSV.writer expects to output to a file object, not to a string. My current solution is this somewhat hacky function. Can anyone give a more elegant solution that still handles the edge cases well? Edit, here's how I ended up doing it.
You could use Stringo instead of your own dummy _writer. This module implements a file-like class, Stringo, that reads and writes a string buffer, also known as memory files. There is also Xstringo, which is a faster version of the Stringo class.
In Python 3. Some details need to be changed a bit for Python 2.
Here's the version that works for UTF-8. CSV2 string for just one line, without line breaks at the end, CSV2 string for many lines, with line breaks.
I found the answers, all in all, a bit confusing. For Python 2, this usage worked for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.